Welcome to eTech. In this video I will tell you that how to convert Word file into PDF. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then in search bar type I love PDF, and on top you can see ilovepdf.com official website. So click on it. So after scrolling you can find Word to PDF. So open it, select Word files, click on it and select Word file that you want to convert to PDF. So I want to convert Celia Exchange white paper. On third number you can see Celia Exchange white paper. Here you can see convert to PDF option. I will click it. Converting Word to PDF. So now we can download this file in PDF format. Click on download button and your file is ready in PDF. So in this way you can convert any Word file into PDF. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for such an amazing videos. Thanks for watching.